Mega Events Management major is perfect for those that love the hustle and bustle, those that love to problem solve, those that are looking to make a meaningful difference and every day isn't the same, those that love a challenge. And one of the things that I love about this event is how much it brings the community together, and how much the students get this hands-on real-world experience.
Hands-on experience is the best type of experience you can get. That's the way I learn personally. Books, do it to a certain extent, but it's really hands-on that really helps me learn.
The hands-on learning, it's really unique and such a great experience that a lot of students don't get the opportunity to have. So by participating in the festival, they get that experience and it's amazing.
The hands-on experience they get, the network that they're able to build, the community that they're able to build. I think it's amazing. And it's not just in the events world. They're connecting with people from a wide range of different industries, not just the public, but also each other.
Even though if you're not interested in hospitality per se, there are different opportunities within back of house, front of house. You can probably get into logistics. It's a whole networking experience.
My job as an educator is really to prepare students to be able to effectively come out here and support the festival. One of the things that I impart is the best practices from the mega events world. So thinking about the FIBA World Cup, things that activate a whole country, activate whole regions, how do I take those best practices and then teach you that so you can implement them on maybe a smaller scale?